Hi, today I show the simple thing, my Prius hybrid 2011, and when I drive it, I don't know how, because all the mechanical they don't understand. The normal mechanical shop they don't replace for me, so they diagnose it. They just want to get them some money, so change my battery, but no help. So this change the color. They think I mix something. It's not. When I pour in, I have this color. Okay, and where I pour in it, that's the converter coolant. So what I do, the Toyota dealer say I need to spend 15,000 to repair. Okay, to know where to go. So I think about, if the mechanical they say this one I mix something, so should be this have a problem related to coolant. So this converter, so converter is this one. Okay, so then they say converter inside the coolant go in here, coolant go in have some different color. So what I think, oh, maybe I can change this one. So I go to the junkyard to buy this, okay, whole converter. So people to change it, and only some people say 160, someone say 500. So I just hire $160 mechanic come here. Okay, so after change it, then my car start. Okay, I'll save a lot of money. So my coolant have a problem. Cooler. This part is a cooler, converter cooler. Okay, have a leaking. So I see the YouTube and how to change it. Take some ball out. Okay. So and I also related the coolant, converter coolant, how to change it, because the color is not good. So I'm not good engineer, but I'm handyman. So I take this one underneath cover. This piece is under here, below this. Okay, next time I will show you how to do this one. But for this one, you just have to find now need to be patient to find this click on the let break the front piece. Okay, yeah. So I want to change the coolant, and this is another piece. So total of 2 pieces to connect to the brake. Okay, to hold like this. The other piece is here. So I want to change the coolant according to the YouTuber. My coolant will be on this side in the engine. Can you see? The engine, no engine, it's called a transmission. Okay. Yeah, this hole. Can you see that? This hole. Okay, this hole is a drainage. You can see from the video. They use the X. They say 16 something. Okay, and the middle block. Okay, here. So just next to it, there's this hole. Okay, and that will show you. Okay. And here, actually you don't need to take this one out, but this out is broken already. The guy, I hired him to do the long time ago. They do the change off here. They destroy my button. Okay. Yeah. So I need to take this. Have it here, 10 millimeter ball, and then here, and then there, another one there. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Okay, and also have some screw here, and here drop, and another one there, do you see it? Another one there. Okay, you need to be patient to observation for your car, and take someone experience, so you can learn from someone else. Also can have experience, then you can make your mind. Okay. Thank you. Follow me, then I will do another small video for you. Bye.